Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
She remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a seafood boil. We have the usual, the king crab, the egg, the shrimp, the green lip mussels, the corn, the potato, the sausage, yam,
Everything in one, you know what I'm saying?
But before we dig in, you know the routine. I want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
Show them go and taste a shrimp.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back!
I hope you liked my outfit of the day, and we are ready to dig in. You already know what we have because I told you a few moments ago, so we're going to dig in and we're just going to talk about whatever. Oh, and I have some sauce here. I have some sauce here. Husband. And my husband had the same sauce.
She gave my own today because she don't want to dip in hers.
Yeah. And it's, what was I gonna say? Damn, I ate the
What?
the mussel. I forgot what I was gonna say.
What's it taste so good for that?
That is good. Oh, there's no room to put this sauce in the.
Oh, I could bring my sauce closer. That's all you gotta say, girl.
So that's why I put mine on the side. There's no room.
All you gotta say to me.
We were trying to figure out what to eat today, and I was like, let's do a seafood boil. Why not?
We just go with the flow.
Go with the flow. Because that's how we eat anyway,
The sausage.
right?
Yeah, that's how we eat.
We go with the flow.
The flow go.
Flow go. Try a potato.
Potato.
Let me put my sauce. Get some.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my sauce up here too. Damn. So I mean I gotta create space fast then.
Yeah, Finyam, your food first.
You know, if I can give you more today, no, you get more today by your side. You know, say seafood, you take more today. I'm gonna fix your business, man. There we go.
That's really good.
That's more like it.
That was easier to dip, so they can see you dipping it, right?
Dip it, yeah. These mussels and that. Must taste good, no?
Yeah.
You dripping all of this already?
I'm
Don't trip.
excited.
Don't trip. I try the egg already.
So you guys had a good weekend? I hope so. The sauce?
Sorry. I put no weird peas.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
I was hungry too. I have a piece of sausage here.
Sausage is bad, man. Don't eat them sausage, you know. Because you have pork sausage, a beef that don't eat that mine, alright?
Yo, you talk a lot, yo.
No film about. I heard that film about.
But you.
You bite me. You heard that family? She said talking that I'm gonna eat.
Bro, eat up all the sausage. Ooh. Yeah, this was. I'm glad we made this today. And the sauce is the same sauce. I'm not. Guys, I have to go find that video and show it to you guys. of how he made this. Now come on.
Wow.
I brought my scissors this time. Cause last time we had these.
Shit, I forgot about the big boss up here. I'm tripping, son.
Last time we had these.
You know what I'm saying?
And it was tricking us, and we didn't want to tell you guys on the camera, but it was.
You know what I said? First lady.
Mm.
If you never tell me about the scissors, I forget about them, you know?
You can't forget about
Oh,
them.
God.
Corn.
Don't look at me.
You got a lot of stuff in your chin, baby love.
On the beard? That's good.
The beard, I mean, the chin.
That means the beard is eating.
So today's my husband's Friday.
Yes, I like this Friday.
I still recording, honey?
Yeah.
Okay,
See, like,
good.
come on. This is the Friday I love. You want my napkin? I got more.
No.
I got napkin for days over here,
No,
girl.
not right now.
This is the Friday I like. You know? But I know y'all like the other one, so, you know, it's all good.
Mondays is his Fridays. He only works a few days a week, so he got that good job.
Well,
But he works 12-hour shifts. So, the corn is very sweet.
it got nice. Oh, what about this?
2 times spicy.
Yeah.
I might try it. I don't know, because last time it got me good.
Got you twisting up, huh? Got you feeling some type of way last time.
Yes. Did you see everything right? If it's interesting, not everything. Don't let me drop. Okay.
That's why you want to make it drop in my lap, man. Why not put it in up? You need my egg already?
Okay.
Bad man.
I feel like I'm devouring the food.
Big boy right here. If she ain't say Caesar, I'll forget enough. Trust me. I'm trying to hold out. Don't do that to me.
Oh, guys, I almost forgot.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to show you guys how I prepared this delicious seafood. Check it out. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be making a seafood boil, and these are the stuff that's going to go in it. So let me go one by one. First thing I'm going to have in there is Old Bay, garlic, Cajun seasoning, and some cayenne pepper to give it that kick. And then we have some king crab. Okay, and what I did was I let it thaw out, and I did wash these off. It's good to just rinse them off. And I have also a beef sausage since my husband doesn't eat pork. And then I have some shrimp that has been cleaned, but it still has the skin on. And then I have some green lip mussels. This is how they come. They come in a bag inside of a box. We took the box and threw it out. And then we have some corn on the cob, the mini ones, and then butter. And in this pot we have potatoes and eggs that are boiling to go in the boil. Now this is my secret ingredient that I use, ranch dip. And I'm going to show you what I do with it after I put everything together. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is how it's supposed to be. This is how I make it. I don't know about anybody else, but what I did was I put everything in there and I seasoned it with the Old Bay, the Cajun seasoning, the cayenne pepper. I seasoned everything up, and then what I also did was I sprinkled some of the dip ranch on it just like this. See, I just sprinkled it on. Now a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need a lot of this because it's like concentrated, so be careful with that. But what I normally do is halfway through the cooking process I will take it out, stir it up, and then you know, taste piece and then add some more seasoning if I need to be. But typically you don't need that much seasoning because we are going to have a dipping sauce. So this is how it's going to look. And then I'm going to cover it with foil paper and put it in the oven on 450 degrees for like 40-45 minutes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of me making the seafood. It's very simple, and yes, that is my secret ingredient. I promise you, if you try it with the ranch sauce, the ranch dipping sauce, it'll take your seafood boil to another level. And I use it to make a dipping sauce. I didn't feel like doing it today, so
yeah, that ranch be popping on it right now.
this was literally leftover sauce that we're using, but we're gonna finish it today. And next time I'll make mine and show you guys.
Yeah. You're chopping up on me.
I'm telling them the truth.
You want to tell them what I'm going to smack down.
Yeah, last time I was using my teeth, it was fine, but sometimes I had to use my hand, and these things are sharp. The little ones are sharp. The big king crabs, frig. The big king crabs, those ones, they're not that sharp.
Going good. Come on, turn up.
Come on, turn up.
Turn up, man.
Ow. That meat is good.
These muscles on fleek.
These mussels. This king crab is really good. Yeah, nice and fresh.
Fresh and so clean, clean. Dripping. Drip, drip. It's crazy.
What happened?
Snitch 9 come out and got so much use every tail.
That guy.
That's crazy.
Crazy. But he had loyal fans.
That's true.
So
Breaking records like that.
Especially on Instagram. It's so funny because I've never seen so much people who are authorized, meaning like they're celebrities or they have enough followers to have a blue check mark next to their name.
Yeah. Came back out.
It was a lot of them.
They want to, they want to hear that story.
Yeah. People nosy.
Oh, man.
People are nosy. They say, "Oh, I hope you're doing okay." And then Meek Mill was pissed off.
For what?
They're saying that you a snitch and all that kind of stuff. I don't know.
What?
I'm too old for that stuff. I don't really follow it. I saw it because the Shade Room was posting it so much. That's the only reason why I know. Because if they wasn't, I wouldn't even know.
Me neither.
Nor would I care.
If it ain't about that sports,
Or whether he's a snitch or not,
that's his problem.
he got more money than me. So.
True. Eat me, I eat, you know, I can't go and chat. True. Everything you say is true.
Yep.
Everything is true, family. I want to work today, man. We're not twerk and jerk, isn't it? You good?
Yep, we over here looking at my stuff for.
I thought you were going to cut for the tea, me and you.
Yeah? I can't cut for you because the way you eat, by the time I cut one, you're gonna eat half the plate already. I gotta get my food. You see, I gotta get my food in.
Well, you stay there one chat. Am I fast? Be a chat, you one chat.
You have some of the sauce.
What's wrong that? Two. Be a chat, you one chat, my girl.
They said to shake it up really good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Ooh!
What you put in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Give them more pepper.
You drop some in there to them. You might
What is
try.
follow fashion for? It's follow fashion bad.
Mm-hmm. You're full of chat today.
Mm-hmm.
Your mouth there on fleek today, you're full of chat. Hold this.
Did you already?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Oh, wow. You move fast.
Your mouth
taste
moving
the pepper.
spicy today.
I don't taste the pepper, but
Okay, sweet yo.
I've learned in the past,
Mm.
don't trust the sauce. It'll sneak up on you.
Mm-hmm. This is what I came here for. I don't know what she about, but I'm about this right here.
You want that life? Make sure everything is in. Sorry,
For
family.
real. I don't want those mix up again. That's problem.
We can't have it where there's no noise. Cause guess what?
You talk like this.
If this video have no noise, I'm still putting it up.
Mm-hmm. For real. Mm-hmm. Can't work again right here, right?
Yes.
I came here for the king crab, son. Real talk. Feel me?
The pepper's kicking in.
And that sauce. Mm-hmm.
You gotta be careful.
Creep up.
It sure does.
First lady. You did it again. Just make you want to slap the person that make it. Let me slap you. Long time, I want to slap it too, you know.
Try now.
We'll go on.
If you think you're bad, try.
I'm going to take show off, man. We're not slap our family. Clear slap her.
You better stop saying that before they think that you're abusing me.
Mm-hmm.
Not everybody understand our humor.
Mm-hmm. I see prank where they box each other and kick each other. Mm-hmm.
It's in a prank channel. We do mukbangs.
Can't chat them one more. A mukbang.
You want our mukbang to be a violent one?
Yeah, let's switch up the thing today. I'll switch up the thing.
I don't know. These mussels are so good because they're so big. It tastes really good. What are you laughing at?
One shot. Work me a word.
How many of those king crab you got already? 5?
Mm-hmm. Know where much meat going on.
So guys, he let me do all the talking. And he do all the eating.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Don't worry how much I go on and do your thing. You want a fire?
That's a hard one. I have one. You gotta be careful. That one's hard. Like you care.
I don't. I want to get there. And I'm getting there too. Wow. That's your first egg, girl?
Second.
That's it?
Yep.
Throw all the egg away. So what do me eating now? Not true.
I do not know that. When I had to fix the camera, you would think you stopped eating. He's still eating.
I said, boy, oh boy, that girl I can't chat, man. Trust me. Can't chat, you know? Trust me.
I talk the truth, man.
Tell the truth, man. You didn't tell me to stop. You didn't teach me to stop. When the camera is off, I stop. You didn't teach me that.
Whatever.
She didn't teach me when the camera is off to stop.
I didn't teach you a lot. I didn't teach you a lot of stuff, and you just fell right into it.
You gotta teach.
Wow.
You gotta tell me.
Excuse me.
You gotta tell me to stop when the camera's off.
So I don't know why I have to teach you this. You don't have to stop.
Not my fault.
You don't have to stop, but you would think you're like, okay, let me wait for my wife. No, sir.
I don't want to wait for you. I want to deal with food. But I'm gonna wait for you. A big food. I guess I sit down and wait for you for. You only gave me one job. You hired me for one job.
One job.
One job only, right?
That's why I ain't paying you.
All right. To come eat, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So I ain't paying you,
You
cause.
know what? I'm gonna want a raise too. In the comment, do you think I need a raise?
Boo. Boo.
Thumbs up for a raise. Cause this boss right here not treating me good. Family, she's not treating me good, but I think I deserve a raise. You tell me in the comments.
What am I doing?
You don't want me to eat. They're gonna tell me what.
Do you have a chance to get another piece of napkin?
Sure. You have to upgrade everything now, first lady. Can't down your raise, man. You see me? Watch out.
Fine meat?
Meat. More than meat. You want a piece?
Meat.
Damn greedy. All I Free guy, yo. That's what damn greedy, man. We know something like that, yo. Yeah, but all of your king can you walk on there. Okay, yo. I catch your man, you remember?
Yo.
You remember some damn chicken batty last time?
What?
Free guy, yo. You open white too?
I cried.
Yo,
you got me good.
come on.
Yo.
You're
It's
not,
alright. It's okay.
you're not cutting down for me, and me I got you the hard way. You see that family? I'm doing it the hard way. She did cutting all and then she want my piece.
It's alright.
Wow. I ain't gonna lie. We messy, but going down. It's going down into NBDM. That's what I got.
Yes,
Coming down the DM, you know. Your DM or my DM, you know.
I don't want nobody in my DM unless it's for business.
My Instagram is your Instagram.
Yo.
True. Freak, you mash you up, man. Good for you. You see here? See here?
You got me good.
Damn right, I got you good.
What's the time, honey?
12.
Oh, that's not bad. We gotta watch the time because you know,
I want this stone.
we don't want it to be too long, and then you guys be like, oh.
Not too long. We don't want to.
Listen, you guys gotta watch the whole video because the video be funny. All right. It got me to some good stuff. Cause I know, on average, how many minutes you guys watch. And you guys missing all the good parts because this is not planned.
Let's go
We
with the
just
flow.
go with the flow, and we just act the way how we would act daily. So people in the comment section who know us personally, let them know this is us.
And they know you greedy.
Whatever. So the man.
Mark you up, man. You want this mustard? Yeah, my mustard. You don't want it? I know they catch you, you know?
It's alright. No, sir, I can't.
You know what I plan for you? I said, yeah. I know you're gonna open your mouth big and wide like you're a shark.
Wow. Guy embarrassed me on the damn camera.
After you cut your thing nice and pretty up. And then you want to add my order my meat. I gotta be careful.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Meat.
I know you watching.
I used to frighten the people themselves.
Watching. 14. This is
Good.
excellent.
Thank you.
As
Mama.
always.
It came out good.
Hey, Daddy, you king crab already?
Yeah.
Your dad again?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, pepper just got me.
In 2 days, something big man, can't wait.
Can't chat to him now. Can't chat to him.
You can't chat to me now? What?
My son's a big TikTok star now.
Big TikTok. Then you go follow him on TikTok. Big TikTok, so you can't talk to me for
I'm
real?
not even on TikTok name. I think it's just me, Vin.
Just me, yeah.
Just me, Vin. Got all 300,000.
Yeah. He's big on that TikTok.
What is it?
How much followers now?
Likes or something? I don't know how it works.
His videos are getting like 200 and change. You. And don't want to put us on. You see how that is?
You said we old.
Slide.
Wow.
When I hear wow, I know what time it is. You ain't eat no corn.
How much corn you gone? I was just gonna say that to you.
You ain't eat no corn,
I
right?
ate 2. So you gone 3.
About 3, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And you know I don't find your corn like that, but it's nice in the sauce.
You say the same thing. You always tear it up.
Family, I don't eat corn like that, but with the seafood, man.
What?
You want egg? So you're not eating no egg. You do my job here and stop talking.
That going good?
I told you I was hungry, yo.
Yeah, I know. Came from work. Waiting for this. I'm gonna try this. This is a big claw. The big part,
That tastes good.
like the front knuckles of the king crab.
The meat is on point here too.
It's very hard though. I'm gonna hold it with a napkin. Let's let you guys see what I'm doing. I'm holding it with a napkin. Ooh.
I like that joy. You gotta give me teeth for look on them. Buy them up. Buy somebody my teeth is a wrap, you know?
If you buy somebody with your teeth? Yep. It is good.
She's fine over there. Watch me. One drop of one pop.
That's a big one? A small one.
See, look at one. I brush from everything on your show. That me I tell you.
Get every meat.
She do it for the love and she do it for the like.
Hey, copyright.
It's not right. It's not plain. I mean, I think it.
It's still copyright.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go copyright our video and get our little $20. Oops.
God damn, son.
That flew.
You wildin'. Look at this one gonna come out good.
Get all the meat out.
Wow. Wow, I never know to eat king crab until you know. First in my life. You busting pan king crab in the first lady. You heard?
Yeah.
I never know about these things.
I'm fancy, that's why.
I never know about king crab family. You put me on game, B.
Ooh.
Look at this one.
You got that out good.
Before you done that. Now, clear on man. Points. Want to seafood?
Messy.
Messy though. You Real messy.
But it's a good messy.
I needed that ginger ale.
You drinking ginger ale? Yes, I'm still working on the one claw.
Yes, that's yeah. Take your time. The next big one here.
Get all the meat. Oh, next claw. Ooh.
Huh?
We don't have to think nothing left.
You ate a lot.
Me.
That's why I gotta eat mine fast, cause you move fast.
Whatever.
If I take my slow time, you done everything in front of me. Yes, excuse me.
I'm glad I did my outfit of the day first because if y'all saw what was back here, they'll be like, what the hell? I shouldn't yam stuff.
Now I'm like the food I run with.
Yeah. So that's something. When you eating around Richie, you have to eat fast, yo.
That's a lie.
Really?
I'm eating fast because I gotta watch you because you quick.
No. When we have separate foods, it's fine. But even then, I have to. Cause he constantly looking at my food. Yo.
What you lie? Lie, I tell the Pamina.
So guys, we might go fishing tomorrow. And show you guys.
I'm gonna take you out with
We
it.
catch some
Hopefully,
fish.
hopefully it's open.
Yeah, hopefully it's open. We're gonna test it out. There's something in your throat.
Food. If it's open, it's a wrap. When we come out here, fish run. So if we catch some fish, that's the next throwdown. Probably some steamed fish, huh?
Sounds good.
Stop the plumbing on. You see how quick I done it without the fork, the scissors that I use?
Those things are jicky.
Oh shit. Huh?
What?
I'll mess up your portrait.
You mess up my portrait.
Yo, king crab is nice as hell.
Yeah.
Damn!
It is good.
I'm living a life right now eating king crab. I feel like somebody.
You are somebody.
King crab. God damn it, me. Yo, stop looking at me, man. God damn. Stay staring at me, yo. What you dealing with? You know where the thing now? You know the sausage?
You can have a last king crab.
22 minutes, huh? Tell you something, you're hungry, man.
I see. I guess we were both hungry because the food gone. And this was a lot. Oh, hiccups.
But run up. Leave it out, that king crab.
You finished? Oh my gosh.
Eat cup, eat cup. Damn, we messy, son. We definitely got to sweep out here. Good sweep. I'm gonna spray out. Well, Sasha coming out. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Share the video.
Definitely share.
Share the video.
Come on, guys, share that video. We appreciate it when you share, especially that iguana video. We want that video to get out there. We appreciate all your support.
Tell them, come watch this greedy lady eat, sit down and eat. It was worth it again.
Alright, guys, we are full. We will see you guys tomorrow for another video. And we thank you guys so much. And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Remember when she told you she was about to Benjamin?